Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So the getaway model fuse, guys, okay, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150, but even if you have, guys, a different year, it may be helpful as well, as long as it's that generation. We have two fuse boxes. One of the fuse boxes, it's located under the hood, and you can see that's what it looks like. You have some Ford specific fuses and relays that could be really hard to find or expensive, guys, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping. Now, this is the interior fuse box. That's the one that we will need. It's located in the passenger side in the footwell. You remove that kick panel plastic right there, and you're going to see, guys, a fuse box that looks just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So two fuses will need to be checked for the getaway, guys. Okay, getaway model, two fuses will need to be checked. So if we come right here, you will see that you have those double fuses, okay, that you probably haven't seen until now, guys. Okay, those are special double fuses. The first one that we'll need to check, it's fuse number 12. So number 12 is together with fuse number 13. We're talking about that fuse right here. It will say 13 on the side, but that's number 12, that's number 13. You can see it's two fuses in one, so that's the one that you will need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 15, guys. It's that fuse right here, but it's part of that fuse over there. So these two fuses are for the getaway model.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.